Guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Reddit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on account settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here until you will find manage notifications, just click on it. So then you go down here, so just keep going down. Then you click here on communities, and here can you manage communities alerts if you want to disable it here or enable it here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.